Hi guys! In this video, we are going to learn about named ranges. So far we have used cell ranges in the functions where we pass the range in the arguments. If we are going to copy the formula in different cells, we may also need to make the references absolute in some cases. Named range is an organized way to create cell ranges, and it also makes passing them in arguments easy and quick. Therefore, named ranges can increase your efficiency to reference data and execute calculations. Let me show you with an example. Let's say we need to add a pension number in column N, which is nothing but the contribution percentage multiplied by annual salary. If we drag the formula in the column, we get 0 values. Do you remember why it is happening? As we have already learned that by default, Excel assumes relative cell referencing while copy-pasting the data. To make the formula work, we can make the contribution percentage absolute. And now, if we drag the formula down, it works perfectly. But if we are working with a large workbook with multiple sheets, we will find that doing such calculations can be very slow sometimes. Let's see how we can do calculations faster with named ranges. Right now, every cell of column N is multiplied with cell O1. It would be a lot simple and intuitive if the name of the cell O1 would have been pension rate. No worries. Fortunately, we can change the name of a cell or a range of cells. In order to change the name of O1, click on the cell and go to the name box. Right now it is showing O1. Let's change it to pension_rate and press enter. Now, a very important point. Please don't use a hyphen or a space while naming a cell or a range. Excel does not accept hyphens and spaces in the names. You can use an underscore instead. It's important to remember a few rules while naming the named ranges. Named ranges can only contain letters, numbers, or underscores. I've now renamed that cell. If we move away from the cell and come back, the name box shows pension rate. If we want to check other name ranges in the sheet, just click on the drop-down of the name box and we will get the list of all named ranges. Let's go back to our pension calculation. Now to use the named range in the calculation, all we need to do is click on the cell, press equals and select annual salary. To multiply it with the pension rate, we will not click on the cell, rather type pension_rate. See, Excel is already suggesting the named range. We will select the named range and press enter. Now we can use the fill handle to fill the rest of the column. Simple, right? One last thing. Don't use the cell reference names while naming. For example, let's say I selected these 5 cells and decided to call them top 5. Now, if I come into my name box, type top 5 and click enter, Excel will take us to a cell named top 5. Can you see what's happened? Top 5 is actually a cell reference. Our columns go all the way up to TON or TOM. So any 3 letters followed by a number is going to give us a cell reference. So just be a little careful with that one. So we learned how to do the calculation without using absolute cell referencing in this video. We will learn more about named ranges in upcoming videos. In the meantime, try your hands at this functionality. I will see you in the next video.